Hi, I'm Barbara Labe with Century 21 Affiliated. I'm based in our Appleton, Wisconsin office. You can reach me at 920-585-5400 or connect with me on many social platforms, www.connectwithbarb.com. Today I want to talk about lender fees that you should and maybe shouldn't pay in the mortgage process. This information was brought to me by Better Mortgages. And if you want to find out more information about that mortgage lender, go to better.com. Now, this information that I'm going to share with you can be used for a mortgage to purchase a home or refinance a home. All mortgages, new purchases, refinancing come with fees. There are some fees that are necessary and some that you might be able to avoid. Let's go through the necessary fees first. Appraisal fee. This is an unavoidable expense unless you qualify for an appraisal waiver. So that might be something to ask your mortgage lender. How do I qualify for an appraisal waiver? Credit fee. Credit checks are a routine aspect of obtaining a mortgage. And to take and see if you qualify for that mortgage, credit checks must be done. This kind of a credit check is called a hard pull, and it could affect your credit score. Flood certification fee, another fee that you cannot avoid. I know of all lenders that do make sure that you do not have to have flood insurance to be carried on the property. So this is an unavoidable fee. Homeowners association fees. If you're purchasing a condo, a co-op, or a community that has an HOA fee, you will be required to have a certification fee run to see if there are outstanding fees and also to verify what that annual fee is. Now, don't confuse this with your monthly, quarterly, or annual condominium association fee or homeowners association fee that you pay yearly. This is just to get your loan, and it's called a homeowners association certification fee. Title fee. This refers to the cost of the title company issuing a policy for you, the seller, and the lender. Subordination fee. This is a lien, and you will encounter this if you're getting a mortgage or refinancing. It's referring to the legal claim that a lender has to repossess a property if a loan is not paid off. If you have a mortgage, then your home itself is a lien for your mortgage lender. However, you may have secondary liens. For example, you may have contractors that you have not paid for work, and they put liens against the home too. You must always pay the first lien off before you pay off any other liens. Now, granted, that doesn't mean if you owe a contractor that you can't pay him and let him take that lien away. But if you're selling, that mortgage person gets that first lien. Some avoidable fees when you are getting a mortgage or refinancing your property. Application fee. This is an upfront fee for doing business with the lender. Not all lenders do an application fee. So that might be something when you are shopping for a mortgage to ask. Loan origination fee. These fees are supposed to cover preparation of documents, attorney fees, notary fees, and more. Another good question to ask your lender. Do you charge a loan origination fee? And if you do, what is that cost? I would create a spreadsheet on these avoidable fees, and as you're looking for a lender, find the ones that aren't going to charge you these avoidable fees. Underwriting fee. Some lenders charge a fee for gathering your documents from you and then charge another fee for having someone examine those documents to determine if you qualify for a loan. That again is another question to ask your lender. Do you charge an underwriting fee? Because not all lenders charge that fee. Loan officer commission. Now, loan officers do play an important role in the mortgage process. Many lenders compensate their officers with 1% of your total loan amount in a commission. This incentive, however, may get lenders to put you in a higher loan to make more money, which might not be in your best interest. So you need to watch that. Totally agree that lenders do need to make money. That's how they support their families. But find out how they are paid. Sometimes they are paid a weekly salary. Other times they're paid 1% of the loan. But make sure you're not pushed into a higher loan just so they make more money. Rate lock extension fee. Now, this may not apply to everybody. Usually, once you get an accepted offer, you'll contact your lender and they'll talk to you and work in when they should lock in your mortgage rate. However, if unforeseen things come up and you need to have that extension, you may have to pay a fee to have that extended for your rate lock. I think it's unavoidable if your loan processing is taking longer than usually 60 days. But be aware that you may have to pay an extension fee if you can't close on time. Recording charge. Now, this depends upon where you live. In Wisconsin, you will pay a recording fee. And this is a recording that goes with your municipality to show who owns the property now, who is the property deeded to. In Alaska, and I thought this was kind of interesting, the residents there have the luxury of paying no recording fees, $0. But then in some larger metropolitans like New York, those fees are very expensive, and buyers will take and look at other options for taking and doing the recording charge. I hope this was helpful to you. It really pays to shop around when you're getting a mortgage and to find out what are the fees that they are going to charge. I would create a spreadsheet and put the avoidable fees in as questions to ask, and then put the fees that you will be required to pay and find out what they're going to charge you. It's always great to know what it's going to cost you when you're obtaining that mortgage or refinancing your property. This is Barbara Labe. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me at 920-585-5400. Thank you.